The Industrial Revolution, spanning the late 18th to early 19th centuries, transformed Britain like never before. It marked a shift from agrarian economies to industrial powerhouses. Technological advancements such as the steam engine revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, enabling faster production and distribution of goods. Factories emerged, changing the way people worked, as manual labor gave way to machine-driven processes. This shift not only increased efficiency, but also led to the rise of urbanization, as people flocked to cities for jobs. The population surged in urban areas, altering social structures and creating a stark divide between the wealthy industrialists and the working class. Conditions in factories were often harsh, leading to movements for labor rights and reforms. In education, the demand for skilled workers prompted improvements in schooling, although access remained limited for lower classes. The Industrial Revolution also sparked innovations like the telegraph, enhancing communication. Its legacy is profound, setting the stage for modern economies and shaping societal values. Understanding this period is crucial for grasping the complexities of contemporary society and the ongoing impact of technological advancements.